Première Vision is the world's leading fashion industry event. We bring together designers, manufacturers, innovators, buyers, leaders, artisans, managers, and brands to create new opportunities. Fashion is alive, dynamic, constantly moving, and we are too. We evolve along with trends and seasons to sense the world's pulse. And today, our main challenge is activating a more sustainable world. This is a challenge that must be met, a road our community is building. Première Vision is committed to showcasing the best in creative fashion, to explore, decode, and celebrate the full potential of increasingly sustainable fashion. Innovative, imaginative, nimble, and collaborative, attentive to alternative fibers, biopolymers, recycled, eco-designed, bio-sourced, responsible production. The fashion industry is committed. It invents and reinvents itself. Fashion integrates circularity and sustainability, investigates new technologies and scientific collaborations to ceaselessly move forward. For 5 decades, we have been bringing the industry together, creating excitement and new connections. Let's keep going. Let's offer smart solutions for a more ethical and ecological fashion industry. To connect the community with the best materials, identify near and sustainable supply sources, discover new production methods and expertise, and foster the innovators. Let's continue inspiring the creative fashion industry and help it design a new vision. Première Vision, the art and heart of fashion.